You're my tour guide.
Okay, here's
Guys, Kylie is my tour guide.
the bridge over there. That is only the decorate. That is the stairs, and that is the slides to go down. We're going outside.
Ay, putik.
And here,
Pala ko kasya dito.
the French fries. And the other part you already.
Kami nga muna.